Welcome back again, GAT test takers. In this video, Tala is going to do test 8. Let's go. Copy and authentic. Tala, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Is it D?
okay, so here, copy is the opposite of authentic. If something is a copy, if it's a copy, all right, it is the opposite of authentic, like reproduce and original. Good. Next. Okay, implement and rule.
It's not D or C.
Okay, it's not D or C.
B?
It is render, all right? Render and verdict. Why? Why did you go to for B?
Because implement and rule. Implement, uh,
Okay, so listen
implement
to
is
me.
like the act of putting a rule into effect.
Okay, so here
Command and execute, they're reversed.
that's wonderful. So we implement a rule. What happens when we implement a rule? We apply it, all right? So this is a relationship here. This is what we do. This is the action, all right? And this is what is acted upon. We implement a rule. If we implement a rule, we apply it. Like, like if a judge renders evicted. That's wonderful. Verdict. I mean the decision. So that's wonderful. That's a good question, by the way. So a judge renders, applies a verdict. For example, if I say that X is imprisoned for 3 years, all right. So here we render this verdict. Verdict, I mean the decision of the court. So this is the action, and this is what is acted upon. That's a good question. 3, coffee and creamer. I think those are two things that go together. Two things go together. Like,
Is it
ah,
C, suit and tie?
suit and tie. Perfect. A tie goes with a suit, like creamer goes with coffee. Giant and dwarf, they're antonyms here.
Genius and idiot.
Perfect. Genius and idiot. Beginner and expert. There are opposite skill levels, a beginner level, an expert level.
B?
Yeah, amateur and professional. Good job. You got it here. Analogy, 5 out of 5. Perfect. Let's go to section B, sentence completion. My pants are very, so I don't feel an M. So, this is a key word. My pants are
Tight and
good.
comfortable.
I don't feel comfortable. Jenna broke the bowl, but she was able to it. But here, this is a key word.
Fix it.
Fix it. Number 8, since is full, we'll have to park the car somewhere else.
The garage.
Garage. Perfect. Anne was because she the dress from the store without paying for it. Without paying for it.
C. Arrested.
Arrested. That's a wonderful. 10. Animals need to live in cages.
Large animals need to live in big cages.
Perfect. Yeah, that's wonderful. Sentence completion. You aced it. Good. Now let's move to the contextual error. Mr. Jamal gave Jenna a criticism because she had written a wonderful essay on 3 branches of government. Oh my gosh.
A criticism.
A criticism. A word. Praise. The necklace Rochelle had on today was very usual. I had never seen one like this before. Look at this one
Usual.
here. Usual. Yeah, this is something different, not usual. When we use words such as please or thank you, yes, ma'am, no, sir, etc., we are showing hate to the person we're talking to.
Hate.
Yeah, we show respect, not hate. Light is reflected off lighter colors, while dark colors refract light.
Refract.
Not refract. Can you test it? Replace it?
Dark colors absorb light.
Absorb lights. Perfect. Not reflect. We made a scarecrow to frighten away the insects that were eating the garden.
Insects.
Yeah, fly. Do we fly insects? Or we frighten insects? Or birds?
Bird.
Yeah, birds. Good job, Della. Now let's move to the third section, number 4. Find a different one. Forest, river, moon, and mountain.
Moon.
Yeah, moon. Actually, these are natural features of the earth. Mountain, river, and forest. So moon here, it is in the sky. Find a different one. Body, chest, shoulder, head.
Body.
Yeah, body here, this is the whole. It's a big part. But chest, shoulder, and heads are parts of the body. Dinner, soup, supper, and lunch. Dinner, soup, supper, lunch. Dinner, soup.
Soup.
Yeah, soup. Yeah, it is different. These are meals. Supper, lunch, dinner, meals. But soup is not perfect. This is something that's eaten. Pencil case, class, ruler, eraser.
Class.
Class, yeah, class is a place. But these are objects. 20, wall, garden, ceiling, room.
Garden.
It's a garden here, yeah. There are parts, but a garden is a big place. Here you get 5 out of 5. Now let's go to the reading comprehension. It is about ants. Let's read together. I'm going to read for you because I know that you're fasting. Ants have been living on the earth for more than 100 million years and can be found almost anywhere on the planet. It is estimated that there are about 2,000 different species of ants. For this reason, ants have been called Earth's most successful species. If you watch ants for any length of time, you will see that they really do communicate with each other and very effectively too. Ants communicate by touching each other with their antenna. Ants also use chemicals called pheromones to direct ants to follow. Other ants use small sticks mixed with dirt and sand to make a stronger mound, right, that offers protection from rain. Western harvesters, ants, make a small mound on top, but then tunnels up to 15 feet straight down to hibernate during winter. And mounds consist of many chambers connected by tunnels. Different chambers are used for nurseries, food storage, and rest places for the worker ants. Some ants live in wood like termites. Army ants don't make a home at all, but travel in large groups searching for food. Ants are social insects which mean that they live in large colonies or groups. Some colonies consist of millions of ants. There are three types of ants in each species: the queen, okay, the sterile female workers, and the males. Ants only serve one purpose: to mate with the future queen and do not live very long. The queen grows to adulthood, mates, and then spends the rest of her life laying eggs. A colony may have only one queen, and there may be many queens depending on the species. Ants go through four stages of development: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Adult. All right. What is the purpose of male ants? Quickly, go to male ants. You need to do this you need to,
It's C.
yeah, to mate with future queen ants. All right, good. What kind of homes do the army ants build? I'm talking about
C.
army ants. Small mounds, small mounds
No, B.
on top, but tunnels up to 15 feet below. See? Okay, let's go to the male army ants build. All right. All right. So what kind of homes do the army ants build? Let's go to the
They do not
army
make
ants.
homes.
They do not make homes, but they travel in search of food. They travel, all right? What does a Western harvester do in winter? I'm sorry, this is not right. In winter, what do they do? In winter, by the way, you want to get back again to the passage here? Let's go to the Western harvester. Ants. Look here. Winter.
They hibernate.
No, they hibernate. Yeah, perfect. They hibernate in winter. Okay. And antenna are used by ants too.
To communicate.
Communicate, yeah. To touch or communicate. Look here, communicate or leave a trail for other ants or touch and feel each other or find. Let's go antenna here. Let's go. Antenna, we're here. Antenna. Here. So ants communicate by touching each other, all right, with their antenna. So this is a way or a means of communication. All right. So by the way, in that case, touch and feel each other, it's okay, but it's one of the steps. But the main goal or the ultimate goal here to communicate. This is the main purpose, okay? Choose the main purpose. Why are ants called the Earth's most successful species? If you want to get back again to the passage, it's okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to this part. Ants, successful. These are the key words. Ants are successful species. These are the words that you need to look for. Ants, successful species. Ants, successful species. All right. Ants living on Earth. It is estimated. For this reason, ants here, successful species. So you need to find the answer here. For more than 100 million years, or that there are about 20,000 different species. So let's get back again. Because they have been on Earth for more than 100 million years, or because they have been on Earth for more than 100 million years and can be found anywhere on Earth, because they can be
B.
found. Yeah, this one is more comprehensive than the other ones. All right, for this test, you got 24. The only mistake is here. All right. Good job. 24 out of 25. Thank you, and that's it for test 8.